Yeah, good morning all of you.
Good morning, sir.
So yesterday we have learned construction of a quadrilateral when two of its sides and three of its angles are given. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Two of its sides and three of its angles. And we have constructed parallelogram also. In parallelogram he has given two sides and one angle only. Based on that, by using the properties of parallelogram, we found opposite angles and adjacent angles sum 180. Based on that, we found. Have you remembered that process or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us see how we are going to construct a rectangle. How to construct a rectangle? This is the question, children. Come on, write down all of you. Construct a rectangle. Construct a rectangle OKAY. This is the name of the rectangle OK, in which OK equals to 7 centimeters and KA equals to 5 centimeters. Stop your discussion. Construct a rectangle OK, in which OK equals to 7 centimeters, KA equals to 5 centimeters. I hope everybody you know that the shape of the rectangle.
Yes.
This is the rectangle. Rough shape just I am drawing. O K A Y. Okay. Okay. How much is given? 7 centimeters. And Ka how much is given?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. And then how we can construct this one?
Opposite sides.
Opposite side, this is also 7 centimeters. This is also 5 centimeters. Okay. Then, okay. One thing. What you will draw first? Let us take this one as a base. First. Okay. Let us draw line segment. Are you clear? So, when we are drawing the main stage, draw a line segment OK. Okay. How much?
7 centimeters.
What is the next step? KA? Okay. As you people are telling, I will draw an arc from K with how much?
5 centimeters.
Okay. And then, in that arc, where the K point? A point.
90 degrees. Rectangle 90 degrees. Sir.
So, if you draw the arc, on this arc, where the point A will lies?
The rectangle.
Here or here, we don't know. Okay, for suppose here also 5 like this RP, we can't. So, what we will do? First, as we are all knows that in a rectangle, all the angles are equals to what?
90 degrees.
Now, from here K with the 90 degrees, an angular ray you have to draw. Do you know how to draw an angular ray?
Yes, sir.
Keep your protractor here and
Sir.
this is your protractor now. By using this protractor, keep your protractor like this and mark the point 90. Yeah. Are you clear? This is 90. Now draw an angle. By using scale, don't draw with your free hand. By using the scale, one angular ray you have to draw. What is this? X you can take. How much angle it is?
90 degrees.
90. Now, take your compass, draw an arc of 5 centimeters radius from K. From K, you have to draw an arc. How much radius?
5 centimeters.
Because that side is side with 5 centimeters. Now this is what? K. In the same way, here also 90 degrees only, no?
Yes, sir.
Because all rectangle, in a rectangle, all the angles are 90 degrees only. So here also draw an angular ray of 90 degrees. This is Y. And here what is the point we need?
Y.
Y na? Oh, already this is minus Z you get it. We need Y vertex.
Yes, sir.
So from O to Y also how much? O to Y also 5 only. Na?
Yes, sir.
So again 5 centimeters radius, draw an arc. This is Y. Now join these two. Now OKAY. OK is our required rectangle. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Very simple this is. What are the steps will you write? First one, draw a line segment. Name it first. OK is equals to 7 centimeters. Next point is what? Draw an angular ray, not arc. How arc we do? First we have drawn an angular ray. Draw an angular ray. What is the ray name? Kx. Listen. Draw an angular ray Kx such that angle OKX equal to 90 degrees. This is the way you can write step. What is next step we have done? Draw an arc of radius 5 centimeters from K, which intersects that ray at one point named as A. Like that we get it. And again here also draw an angular ray OZ such that OZ equal to 90. Same. Last point join YA. Now OKAY is our required rectangle. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you people are all telling yes, yes. But whereas coming to verifying your homework problems, everyone is doing mistakes. If you can't understand, one second you can ask me. I will tell. But don't do wrongs in the homework while doing. Understood? Will you able to construct now?
Yes, sir.
Come on, do it, everybody. Any absentees? Right now you have to note down these 3 steps only. Later you have to write rest of steps. Leave some space for that. Okay? And go for next model. Come on. Construction of a next heading with different model. Construction of a quadrilateral. Construction of a quadrilateral when three of its sides. Construction of a quadrilateral when 3 of its sides and 2 included angles are given. Construction of a quadrilateral when 3 of its sides and 2 included angles are given. This is a very different situation. In this situation, what he is giving? 3 sides and 2 angles he is giving. Are you clear? Previously 2 sides and 3 angles. Now 3 sides and 2 angles. In such cases, how you will construct? Look at here. This is a question. Construct quadrilateral ABCD. Name of the quadrilateral is ABCD, in which AB equals to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters, CD is equal to 6.5 centimeters, angle B equals to 105 degrees. Angle C is equals to 80 degrees. Stop. Here, hello. Here we are constructing a quadrilateral ABCD. In this quadrilateral ABCD, AB equals to 4, BC equals to 5, CD equals to 6.5, angle B and angle C. Two sides and including angle. Including angle means what are the angles are given here?
Angle B. Angle B.
Angle B and angle C. With those two angles, what is the side is there? What is the name of the side is there?
5 centimeters.
Name of the side? BC. Arey yaar, BC two angular points are there na? When two angular points are B and C, what is the side? Which is forming with those? BC. Why this much time you people are taking? BC side. So, you have to take that one as a base first. Are you clear? Are you clear or not? So, main sketch. Here I am drawing. First, draw a line segment BC equals to 5 centimeters. How much it is?
5 centimeters.
Yeah. BC. How you will draw this one? 5 centimeters. Like this with free hand. By using your scale, you have to measure it. Still, many people are measuring. This is the scale. Huh? Here something 1, 2, 3, no? 5 means this is, for suppose 4, this is 5. Here to here they are measuring. If you measure from here to here, this is 4 only. From 0 to 5 you have to draw. Still you people are doing like that. What is that? I don't know. Huh? So, okay. Here I have drawn a line segment BC equals to, stop it ma'am. Look at here. I have drawn a line segment BC equals to 5 centimeters. What is the measure of angle C is given?
80
Draw an angular ray from C with the measure of
80 degrees.
So 80 degrees, protractor keep here somewhere it is. This is the point. Now join by using scale. This is how much?
80 degrees.
By using protractor, do you know how to draw an angular ray of 80
Yes,
degrees?
sir.
Angle B how much?
105 degree.
From B 105. Keep the protractor. 105 means, for suppose, just look at here. I am drawing the. This is protractor.
Yes, sir.
Let us. It is how much?
90.
90. 105 means 95, 100, 105. This is the way point it will come. Are you clear?
Yes,
sir.
Are you clear? Just for showing purpose. This is the protractor is there na? No. This is an angular ray point now 105. Now you can join by using scale. What is this? Y. This is how much children? 105. Now we have constructed angle C and angle B also. But still we have two vertices only, B and C only. What are the vertices still we need?
AB.
A and
D.
B.
D.
B already is there na ya? A and D. Okay, if you want to know, if you want to mark the points A and D, definitely those 2 points A and D should be lie on this and this only, na?
Yes, sir.
Because if somewhere it will lie, how 80 degrees we will get it? We can't. So that once you check, B to A distance is given.
Yes, sir.
How much is given?
4 centimeters.
From B, you have to draw an arc
Arc.
of radius 4 centimeters. Now this is A. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
C to D is given
Yes, sir. 6.5
6.5. Now 6.5. Again you can draw like this.
Yes, sir.
This is D.
Join.
This is 6.5. This is 4. Now this and this you can join. This is our required quadrant. Sometimes he may not give CD. He may give AD. Then what you will do? From here you can draw an arc, no problem. Somewhere it will touches this angular ray. That point is named as the end. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Very simple construction this one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Steps also will be able to write?
Yes, sir.
Everything I will not say means when you will apply your brain, you can write your own. Are you clear?
Yes.
Name, race, everything.
Angular.
Come on, do it now. Rectangle construction is over. Rectangle just over. So in the same model only exercise 4.4 two more sums are given. That is the last exercise I think so. 4.4 or 4.5 is there. Only two sums only it is given. Those two sums homework for you. Everybody have to complete it. Understood?
Master.
Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.